This video looks at how to set up the Concourse Syllabus generator. When you go to your faculty tab, you'll find your courses listed on the right under all my courses. There is a drop down, so it may be a future course. If you switch to future, you'd find spring, for example. Once you get into your course, it'll take you to your main page where you put handouts, bookmarks, announcements to your students, those kind of things. On the left-hand side, we have a list of pages that are in this course. So we have an attendance page. We're going to go down to the syllabus page for this particular one. When I click on the syllabus page, then it comes up and says add a tool to this page. In the future, we'll try and see if we can get this to come up automatically so you don't need this step. But for now, you add a tool to the page, and on the right-hand side, you'll see featured tools, syllabus generator. We want to click that. It will automatically go out and find your syllabus and bring it to your screen. If it does not do that, then you need to contact us and let me know, or let us know through the IT department that there's something wrong with your course. So what is brought to your screen here is a box. Now, if you're over in Moodle, it'll be probably a whole page. You'll have a drop down that'll offer you edit, import, and print. Edit is going to let you edit the syllabus. Import, if you've taught in the past, you can import part of all or part of another syllabus. It doesn't even have to be the same course if you want to just move your grading over or some course policies. And you have print. Under the print option, you can print as a printer. In this particular case, I'm going to show up here as an HP LaserJet, or I can change that and I can save it as a PDF file. So if I want to save as a PDF file, when I hit save up here, it'll ask me, where do you want to save that? So that's the print options that are available to us. If we go in here and say we're going to edit this, it opens it up, and the sections that are eligible to be edited will have a yellow pencil beside it. This little yellow dots mean edit the section. If I want to add a section to it, it's with a green plus. So if I want to add objectives, I just simply click on objectives, type in my objectives, and under each section at the bottom, I'm going to hit save. Now we do have a section in here called comments. Those don't show to the students, but you could put comments in, or if we've used comments in your file, you can remove those. Once you hit save, it'll actually become part of your syllabus. I'm not going to change this one. Meeting times. I recommend you go over the course information and just put in the meeting times as a beginning and end date with a day of the week. If you want to put one at a time, if you had 14, you'd click that little green plus 14 times. I don't recommend that. It's not necessary in the syllabus because you have a schedule at the end. Your contact information, again, you can just cut and paste from Word, or you can use the green template that they give you. Description will be locked for you, so the section will be white. You won't be able to adjust it. Outcomes, depending on which program you're in, may or may not be locked. Once they are established by the school as the outcomes for the course, then they become locked, and this section would no longer have an editing pencil for it. Materials is where you put down the books and the things that you want in there. You can either use the green plus for that and add a book using their template, or you can just use a cut and paste of information from a Word document under the yellow pencil. I recommend the yellow pencil. Deliverables is where a standard deliverable might be located. So if the school has a key assessment, they could put it there. Evaluation is your grading criteria. Again, I prefer the yellow pencil. You can use their green pluses if you want to use them that way. This one says criteria, but it doesn't really have a criteria there. So to make that go away, you click the red X and it deletes it. Course policies. The institutional policies are all built in, so you don't need to worry about whether the library information is up to date or its disabilities. All of that library access and disabilities as part of the template. Anything that doesn't fit under these other sections goes into additional items. And finally, we have at the very bottom here, we have a section for our schedule. This is just a cut and paste. You could put in their template of the schedule that way, or you can just take it from Word and just do a cut and paste directly into here. I recommend if you do that, that you go ahead and check to make sure that it hasn't got any formatting issues. In this particular case, I put bolds on the dates so that they would stand out. And again, when you're done, you hit save. So that gives you a Concourse syllabus. And as soon as you've done that, that's available to the students for access to be able to go backwards in. We click on the word syllabus here and go back to view. And the view gives us a standard view of the syllabus. And that concludes this session.